Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna talk about my everyday makeup essential to create this look. And if you're someone who like heavy makeup, foundation or concealers, this is not a video for you because I use very minimal makeup products on my face. So if you're someone just like me who also like very natural looking finish on their skin, just keep on watching because I'm gonna talk about all the makeup products that you need to achieve this kind of look. I'm also gonna give you options in each category so that you can choose whichever you want to go for. So let's begin the video and talk about these products. I'm gonna start off with the base products. First, what I use on my base. So let me tell you what all I have on my skin right now. I had my brow pencil, then I had my blush and my lipstick. As of now, I don't have any other product, just 3 products on my face. So let's begin the video and talk about the base first. So I don't have this thing on my face right now, but this is something I always apply whenever I'm going out because this gives the most beautiful and subtle glow on your skin. And I recently purchased this K Beauty illuminating drops. It's in the shade Rose and I applied it once. There is no glitter particle, nothing. It's just a pure glow product. So we're gonna apply this on one side. Let's apply this first. I think I got a lot of product. So I'm gonna apply that only on both sides. Look at the glow this product is giving. This is the second time I'm applying that and I really like the glow that this product gives. And this is how I do my makeup. Like, now I'm explaining it to you, so it's gonna take some time, but otherwise I just get ready within 2 minutes and you're gonna see how fast the process is. All those of you saying this product is not available in your country, you can definitely check this out. You see how this one product has changed the entire look. And because this is a pinky shade, you don't even need blush. Genuinely, you don't even need blush with this one. You need blush with this one because this is a pure glow product and I'm gonna show it to you on my hand how it actually looks. This is again a pure glow product. It looks very natural, just like this one. There is one more base product that you can get if this is available in your country. This is the Sishua Glow Stick and I am just left with this much only. This provides a very beautiful glow. Again, no glitter particle. I don't like anything that has glitter in it. I just don't like that. So all these products are going to be glitter free. You just need a little bit and it provides that glass skin effect on the go, and it's really good for touch ups. And since we don't use concealer, powder and foundation, our touch up is glow stick. So these are the 3 options for your glowy dewy base. Next up comes to our blushes, and everyone loves good blush. If you're looking for a liquid blush, just buy the Etude House tint. This looks so natural, so beautiful, glowy, dewy and everything, and it looks so subtle on the skin. Now this is my favorite blush of all times. This gives the most natural finish to your skin. It looks so good on it. But this is the lipstick that I use as a blush and lipstick both. I use this thing more than any blush this entire year. This looks so good as a blush. I just really love this one. This one is in the shade Best Babe from Maybelline. And I finished one entire lipstick this year and I bought another one. And this looks so beautiful as a blush shade and as a lip shade. Like, you just dab it on your lips and it looks so good, so good. It gives like the most natural finish, I feel like, and it looks like you have like naturally pink cheeks. This is like my favorite blush lipstick shade ever. It looks so good as a lipstick as well. I'm gonna show you the shade on the back of my hand. This is how it looks like. You see how naturally pinky and mauvey this looks like. So these lip options, if you're looking for a powder blush, buy this one. This one is Milani Luminoso. This is the only shade, like if you have nothing on your face and if you want to look presentable within 1 minute, what I do is like I open this one and I apply it all over my face. It is like a highlighter and a blush all in one. And I'm gonna show you. You see how dewy and gorgeous this shade is, and it is very buildable. It looks so good on. I'm gonna apply it a little bit and show you guys. Like the most subtle. Can you see the glow? Look at this side. And look at this side of my face. These are some of the gem products that I'm sharing. If you're someone having active pimples or skin texture, then don't go for this one because it enhances your skin texture. So I will not recommend it in that case. Only blush shade and blush you need in your collection is this Milani Luminoso. This is the second step, that is blush. Next up comes our brow, which is very important. It definitely changes the entirety of your face. And the only brow product that I'm gonna recommend, and I want you guys to try it at least once, it's from Benefit. It's the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. You can just carelessly draw your brows using this product, like 1, 2, 3 strokes, and you're good to go. This is such a fast on the go product. Like, you do not need to spend hours doing your brows because brows take the longest time, if you know. This is such a worth it product for your brows. I really love it. Coming to our lashes, I didn't apply anything today, but I don't apply mascaras on daily basis. In fact, I don't do anything on daily basis. It's just when I'm going out, I do all these things. So I have two favorites. One is this Hyper Curl Mascara, which is waterproof because it's winter and most of the time it's snowy outside. So you really need something that is waterproof. And this one is very good, very basic and elevates your brow. But if you want to really fan out your brows, just try the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline. This one is also really good. And the spoolie it definitely beats the high-end mascaras. Don't fall for the trap. I tried a lot of high-end mascaras, but this is something that I always wanted to go back to. This is so good. This is how the wand of Hyper Curl Mascara looks like. It's very curly and it definitely curls your lashes perfectly. These are my mascara options. These are the only two products that I use for my lashes. Coming to our lipsticks, which I always get a lot of questions about. So I have only two lip liners that I use. This one is from PAC Mauve. This looks so pretty. This is the shade. You can see how pretty, pinky and beautiful this is. You can use any lip pencil. This is definitely my personal favorite. This is PAC Mauve, one pink and one brown. You can also try the So Spicy from PAC only. That is also a beautiful brown lip pencil. But right now I'm using, I don't know which brand this is, but this is Capucine. I guess this is from Rimmel. Both of these are drugstore and they are really good lip pencil. This is how the brown one looks like. It is such a beautiful shade. This is what I've used to outline my lips today. Both of these shades are absolutely gorgeous. For lipstick, I have 3 options. All of these 3 are a different color because I want to give you guys some options. This one is again Maybelline's Best Babe, which is this shade that I showed you. It's a beautiful pinky shade. And second one is something that I have on my lips right now. So this lip liner and this lip shade from Nykaa. It's the Lacy Luck. Every time I wear this shade, people always ask which shade I'm wearing. This one is a peachy brown shade. You can see how beautiful this. So this is also my second purchase and it is a transfer proof lip color. It is very creamy and so worth your money. This is what I have on my lips right now combined with this lip pencil, and you can see how it looks. Third one is a brown shade. Again, this is something I always get compliments on, and this is a dupe for Smashbox Stepping Out. If you know, that is my absolute favorite shade, but I want to give you guys some affordable options this time. So this is how it looks like. It's a very cool tone brown shade. This looks incredible. I am not a big fan of the applicator. Like, this is such a waste of product. This shade is really pretty. It's a cool tone brown. Best Babe, and then Nykaa's Lacy Luck, and this one is NYX Cool Intention. So these were all the makeup products that I use in my videos or whenever I'm going out. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you within another one. Till then, bye.